Amanhã, dia 19 de Februari, a comunidade chinesa celebra Nang Ayanobo, uma celebração grande de qual o Consul General de China está na Aruba para formar parte desse aqui. Para aproveitar sua visita na Aruba, ela passa a reunir com o nosso primeiro-ministro Mike Mann para intercambiar ideia e informação.
All of the people know we already officially opened the Chinese Consulate General in last year, September. So now we officially open our door, so it is my job to push the cooperation and the friendship between China and the Dutch Caribbean islands, include Aruba. I hope both sides we can work together to push the cooperation. As we know, the Aruba is a beautiful island. You have the tourist industry is developed very quickly. When we visit here, when we walk on the street, we see a lot of tourists here. So that means your government do their best, to develop the tourist industry.
Mirando tecnologia na avançar com a China, será toca o tema de sustentabilidade. Ministro Presidente compartilha que o Consul de China nos meta para chegar na 2020 uma Aruba 100% sustentável, qual é aqui está abre mais oportunidade para trabalhar junto.
And there are a lot of potential for both sides to cooperate together. The economic development, telecommunication, and the tourist industry and the infrastructure, and also include the culture, education, environment protection, for example. So I think as long as we work together, we can push. As a consulate general, we work as a bridge to let both sides to know each other, and then let both sides to connect to each other, to exchange information each other, to let both sides to visit each other. After we open the door, to officially open the door, we already issue 200 visa for local people. I hope one day in the future, the Aruba can organize a delegation to visit China. And also, I hope Chinese people, companies have the opportunity to visit Aruba.
Reunião assim está importante para ambas culturas, para assim por familiarizar com o outro e assim também beneficiar de múltiplas possibilidades de trabalhando junto, está tanto China como Aruba.